I'm here in Treasure Island, right on the San Francisco Bay. Behind me, you can see San Francisco skyline over there. And then way over there, you should be able to see Alcatraz and the Golden Gate Bridge. I'm out here because I'm testing out some gear, and I'm gonna try and get some stock footage. I'm gonna start setting up, and we're gonna get this done quick and hopefully get out of here before people come questioning what I'm doing out here, which does happen once in a while. So I got my camera set. Right now it's super overexposed, so let's fix these settings really quickly. So right now my aperture is at 2.8 all the way wide open, so I'm going to close it all the way just so I get everything in focus. So there we go, now we have everything in focus. It's already looking a little better. So I'm going to set my ISO all the way down, the lowest possible setting here. So this is kind of cool because that's all the way wide at 55. Now I'm going like even closer, and look at that. You can actually get super up close and personal to San Francisco right now. But it is kind of pretty bright, so it is making my frame a little overexposed. There we go. I think that to me looks good. So I just moved because I had that rock in my frame. Now it's no longer there. I get a clean view. So I'm just holding down the tripod here because it's so windy that, you know, there's definitely going to be some small shaking in the footage, but just to avoid that little shake, I'm holding down the tripod here. Typically I film up to a minute of stock footage before I put it on my website, stock.cine24.studio. Okay, I got a really good backlit view of the Golden Gate Bridge that I really like. It's pretty shaky even with me holding it, and that's only because it's at 125 millimeters here. And on a windy day like this, that just, no matter what I do, it's going to be extremely shaky, unfortunately. But I'm going to try and see if I can fix it a little bit in post, but I really doubt it. I see another ferry coming in right now, so might try to catch some. Let's see. So I think that's it. Lesson from this video: I need to figure out some way so that I can use this long lens on a windy day without getting incredibly shaky footage. So goals for next time. All right, thank you guys for watching. Till next time.